Hey guys, so don't ask me why I'm making a video in my kitchen. It's for a good reason. It's supposed to be a shout out to my sister on Roblox. And you who know the game. And this I told her I was gonna make this video. So yeah, what else is your stutter? We're in my kitchen. Excuse the loud feeling. But there's nothing in living room. I didn't see that because you don't like me to. So yeah, that's all I really wanted to say. So next video I'll be doing a review on my drawings I have in my